Once upon a time, there were two bees named Buzz and Buzzy. Buzz was a hard-working bee who always followed the rules, while Buzzy was a free-spirited bee who loved to explore and try new things. Buzz and Buzzy were good friends, but they often disagreed on how things should be done. One day, Buzz and Buzzy were collecting nectar from flowers when they got separated. Buzz knew that he had to collect the nectar from specific flowers that their queen had assigned to them, but Buzzy got carried away and started collecting nectar from different flowers. Buzz returned to the hive with the nectar from the assigned flowers, while Buzzy returned with nectar from other flowers. The queen bee was furious with Buzzy and scolded her for not following the rules. Buzzy was upset and didn't understand why she couldn't collect nectar from any flower she wanted. Buzz tried to explain to Buzzy that there was a reason why they were assigned specific flowers. The flowers had the right amount of nectar that was needed to make honey, and if they didn't follow the rules, they could end up with less honey or even no honey at all. Buzzy realized her mistake and apologized to Buzz and the queen bee. She understood that sometimes rules were necessary to achieve a goal. But Buzzy also explained to Buzz that sometimes, breaking the rules could lead to new discoveries and ideas. Buzz and Buzzy worked together to collect nectar from different flowers, and they found a new flower that had even more nectar than the assigned flowers. They brought the flower to the queen bee, who was pleased with their discovery. The queen bee realized that sometimes breaking the rules could lead to new discoveries and ordered the bees to collect nectar from the new flower. With the new flower, the bees made even more honey than before, and the hive was happier than ever. Buzz and Buzzy learned that rules were important, but sometimes, thinking outside the box could lead to new discoveries and opportunities. They continued to work together and explore new things, knowing that two bees working together could accomplish more than just one.